Guys, I'm here, but I have failed to sleep. It is now 5 a.m. in the morning, but I couldn't get sleep just because what is going on in Uganda. I really failed to sleep. I'm sending this message for the people in uniform, men and women in uniform, in police and in UPDF. This message goes to you, our brothers and sisters in uniform, in UPDF and in police. I'm going to speak in English. I don't know how to speak good English because I'm not Americana. I'm not what, but I'm going to speak in my broken English so that you can understand me very well, because some of you don't know Uganda. That's why I'm going to use this language, English. I'm not good in English, but I'm going to try to speak my mind, to talk to you, our brothers and sisters in uniform, police and UPDF. This message goes to you people. Right now, you see the situation which is going on in Uganda. This government is stealing from Ugandans. These people in government, they are stealing from Ugandans. They are stealing from you. Right now, Uganda has a debt of 103 trillion. 100.3 trillion Ugandan shillings, a debt. To the extent that each and every Ugandan, even a new young baby, has to pay 2.3 million Ugandan shillings to pay that debt. But you people, men and women in uniform, you are the one who protecting those thieves. You are the one who protecting the people who are stealing from your country. You are the one who protecting those people who are stealing from you because you are badly off. Last year, leader of opposition brought a motion, like an idea, to increase your salary. Prime Minister came out and said that the government don't have money to increase your salaries, you men and women in uniform. But they have money to steal, but they have money to reward themselves. Yet they get big salaries, they get allowances and treatments. But you, men and women in uniform, I'm not talking about these ranking officers, which is in offices, good offices, driving expensive cars with big houses, big salaries, those big ranking officers. I'm not talking about those people. And those people, they are the one who ordering you to beat the angry Ugandans who are trying to fight for their country, you people. You people, we want you to tell us that you are not Ugandans like us. You don't have the same pain we have in our hearts. You people, men and women in uniform, I'm talking on these people, low-ranking officers who are sleeping in Mama Ingia Pole, those small houses, very hot in sunshine and very old in rain, very cold in rain. You people, men and women in uniform, who are coming on the streets and start beating Ugandans because they are shouting for thieves who are stealing from their country, who are stealing from their children, who are stealing our future. But you are the one busy protecting them. You are the one busy beating Ugandans, angry Ugandans, who are trying to shout for those thieves. Those thieves, they are well off. They have expensive cars on our money. They have big salaries on our money. They wear good clothes on our money. They drive expensive cars on our money. But you are the ones who are protecting them from we angry Ugandans who are trying to fight for ourselves, to fight for justice, to fight for good water, to fight for good schools, to fight for good hospital service delivery. But you beat us to the extent that you can even kill us. You people, are you Ugandans or you are not Ugandans? You people, do you really feel the same pain we are feeling as Ugandans? They don't have money to increase your salary. They don't have money to build good houses for you, for the better serving, for the better well-being, so that you can serve your country. They don't have that money to build you houses. In barracks, you go in your barracks, the way you are sleeping like rats. For them, they are there sleeping in expensive beds, in big houses, expensive cars, on your money. Do you want to convince us that even your children and your families, they are all police officers? They don't suffer the same as Ugandans. They don't feel the same pain as Ugandans. You people, how do you feel when you are sleeping in those rotten houses in barracks, saying news on media, seeing news on TVs and radios that members of parliament, they are rewarding themselves with 100, 200 million Ugandans, yet your families are sleeping with empty stomachs? Those people, every time they tell you that you have to be patriotics, you have to be patriotisms, you have to practice patriotisms, they are talking that, but they don't practicing it. For them, they are not patriots. For them, they don't even practice patriotism. They just talking about it, but they don't practice it. They are busy looting the country. They are busy looting our future. They are busy looting the future of your children, you men and women in uniform. You have lost your brothers and sisters in Congo. You have lost your brothers and sisters in Sudan, but you don't see anywhere the government concerned about compensating your families, about compensating the families who lost their children in that war. They are busy looting the country. But we are heading in 2026 general elections. You are the one who are going to be deployed on streets and start beating Ugandans who are trying to sow their pain on those people. And you are going to be commanded by the chief of thieves. By the chief of thieves. You are going to be commanded by chief of thieves. And the thieves are busy looting the country. But you are the one guarding them. But you beat us who are shouting for thieves, but you are protecting the thieves to steal from you. The thieves, they are busy stealing from you people, and you are busy protecting them and guarding them from us who are shouting for them, who are shouting about them. You people, men and women in uniform, even if they order you to beat Ugandans, to kill us bloody daylight, bullets on streets, why don't you think, use your head? Whenever we talk about UPDF police officers, you come and comment and abuse us and harass us and threaten us to the way you are going to kill us, the way you are going to arrest us, the Ruzira must what? But you people, are you feeling the same pain as Ugandans? Oh no. Do you really feel the same pain as a wananchi? Or for you, you are just busy? For you, when you see like this news of stealing taxpayers' money, you just enter your mama ingia pole and start clapping and enjoying the news. You people change the narrative. We are heading 2026 general elections. Decide with Ugandans. Stay on side of Ugandans. We are all in one boat. The debt we have is not like for Ugandans. You are also Ugandans. You are also among the 45 million of Ugandans who are going to pay that debt. But the people are busy stealing from us, and you are the ones who are protecting them when they are stealing from you. They are stealing your future, your children's future, but you are busy protecting them. You are busy killing the ones who are trying to shout for the thieves, and you are being deployed by the chief of